Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to download and install Anaconda Python on a 32-bit Linux system, along with a code example to get you started. Open a web browser and go to the Anaconda website, https://www.anaconda.com/products/individual. Scroll down to find the Anaconda Installers section. Under the Linux tab, locate the 32-bit version of Anaconda. Download the installer script with a .sh extension. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where the Anaconda installer script is located. For example, make the script executable by running. Replace version with the actual version number you downloaded. Run the script. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press Enter to scroll through the license terms and type Yes when prompted to accept the terms. Choose the installation location, press Enter to accept the default location. Allow the installer to add Anaconda to your system's path. The installation process will start, and you'll see progress messages. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to either initialize Anaconda in your current shell session or not. Choose Yes to make Anaconda available in your current session. Close and reopen the terminal to activate Anaconda. Verify the installation by running. You should see the Conda version number. Create a new virtual environment. Replace myenv with your desired environment name. Activate the virtual environment. Install a package in the virtual environment. Create a simple Python script, example.py. Run the Python script. You should see the output of your script. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Anaconda Python on your 32-bit Linux system and created a virtual environment. You can now use Anaconda to manage your Python environments and packages. ChatGPT